Hi guys, I had two questions on your homework last night, or the two most common, I guess, asked questions. First one is number 4, so I want to figure out what my equation of my circle is. I'm going to combine my x's, I'm going to combine my y's, and move my constant over to the other side. So I'm going to have x squared plus 24x plus something plus y squared plus 26y plus something is equal to negative 277 plus something plus something. All right, so what's this first one going to be? I'm going to take my b term, which is 24, divide it by 2 and square it, which is going to give me 12 squared, which is 144. So 144 is going to go in here and in here. And this is going to factor to be x plus 12 squared. And then doing the same thing for this guy, so I'm going to take 26 over 2 squared, which is 13 squared, which is 169. So 169 is going to go here and going to go here. This guy is going to factor to be y plus 13 squared. And when you combine these, negative 277 plus 144 plus 169, you are left with 36. So your answer for this one should be C. Next one is number 8. Same thing, going to combine my x's, going to combine my y's, and move this guy over to the other side. So I have x squared plus 30x plus something plus y squared minus 32y plus something is equal to negative 474 since I moved him over, plus my first something and my second something. Taking my b term, which is 30 divided by 2 squared, is going to give me 15 squared, which is 225. So 225 goes here and 225 goes here. So this guy is going to factor to be x plus 15 squared. And then for my y, it's going to take my negative 32 over 2 squared, which is going to be negative 16 squared, which is 256. And 256 goes here, and 256 goes here. So my y's are going to factor to be y minus 16 squared, because it's whatever your b over 2 is, which is at negative 16. So I'm going to add negative 474 plus 225 plus 256, which leaves me with 7. So my answer for this guy should be D.